Hey guys, Jonathan with jwaltphotography.com, and I am coming to you today as a real estate photographer. We have shot over 1,100 properties this year, and I want to show you something awesome that we are going to be adding to our arsenal to make us even better serve our clients. So we're sitting here today with the Panokit from Asteroom. I have seen so many great reviews on this that I reached out and said, hey, I've got to try this. What we're gonna be doing today is unboxing this bad boy, seeing what's inside of it, and kind of going from there. We're gonna be doing reviews on this, we're gonna be doing how-to videos on this, but today, I just wanna see what this thing looks like. Keep in mind, this replaces our $4,000 Matterport camera, and it's a lot more affordable than $4,000. A lot more affordable. So if this thing can replace a $4,000 camera, I'm going to be screaming from the mountaintops of how awesome this thing is. So let's take a look at it. We're gonna look at the box first, kind of see what it says, and then we're gonna go from there. So this is the Panokit. You use your phone with this. So all-in-one professional virtual tour package includes lens and a rotator. So you use your phone to create 3D virtual tours of properties. What's neat about this too is it's your phone that you're using. So you don't have to depend on the infrared light getting blocked by the sun where that $4,000 camera did. So, the back of it says, property viewing reimagined. Asteroom believes that 3D virtual tours are the best way to experience properties viewing. This is true. We can actually measure those stats of who's coming to what, and we see those tours getting 10 times the traffic of those who just have photos or videos. Let's keep reading. Your prospects will enjoy the realistic and immersive tours that will allow them to be there without being there. Here's the main features you can use with this all-in-one package. You can take high-quality panoramas to measure room dimensions with your phone. What? You can create professional virtual tours on Asteroom's web editor and mobile app, hotspots that lead to adjacent rooms or space, discovery tags, nice, background music, video mode versus interactive mode for tour viewing, lead generation form, professional realtor profile, and white labeling with your brand logo. And number 3, you can share virtual tours and collect leads. So what's really nice about this is that you can actually share the tours that you make off of this, and to me so far it seems like it's got so much more freedom than when I was with that $4,000 camera company. We were spending over $6,000 a year to upkeep that camera company because it was so expensive. Whenever I saw this, I thought two things. Either A, this is amazing, or B, it's too good to be true. We're gonna put it to the test later, but today we're just gonna unbox it and see what it actually looks like. So, front of the box looks pretty neat. It shows exactly how to use it. I love that side of it. Easy to open packaging, nothing crazy going on there. Okay, we got some little clips. Woo! We got like a little egg timer looking thing. We've got a wide angle oh no. We've got a little lens clip thingy here. I guess this is a wide angle so that they can see it. And we've got a helicopter blade. No, it's a tripod for it. So all of that is inside of this. Let's see if there's anything else. Yes, there are instructions or vouchers for our account. And there is a charger for this, of course. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna see how my phone fits in here. We're gonna see if it's hard to put my phone on there or not. Pop it out of its case here. And we're gonna pop it in here and see how easy it is to actually put in. So that tightens it. The front of the box shows that it's gonna be upright like that. It's fitting with plenty of space, so even if I didn't have the iPhone 11 Max, it would be easy to fit in there. That's it. That was pretty easy. I about dropped my phone yesterday trying to get it put on a gimbal. We're gonna put our helicopter blades on this. And I wonder what happens if I turn it on. We're gonna turn it on and see. Okay. Click the on button. And it looks like it's ready to go. No way. That is insane. I could use this for like time-lapse photography and stuff too. It's got different seconds too to show the surroundings. There's a 20-second and a 60-second. This is super, super intuitive. I'm gonna clip this on there and see what it makes my wide-angle camera look like. Get my face. There we go. So I'm going to do a screen recording from my phone so you guys can see what I am seeing. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. Where's my camera? Right there. Holy cow. Yeah, no, I was told that it does need to go on the top. On this side, it'd be right, the top one. Honestly, this might be too wide. I might just be able to use the wide angle. Because, yeah, I need to just use my wide angle on this. I don't even need this with this phone. If I didn't have the wide angle built into it, I would definitely need that though. That's what's inside the box. We got this voucher kit. Follow the instructions, sign up for an account, log in, redeem your voucher. Here's my PIN. Cool. I don't know what any of that is yet. I just wanted to unbox this and see. I'm gonna do this again just because it's fun. Look at that. Like out of the box, it's ready to rock and roll. This thing is awesome, and if it can build 3D tours like it says it can, we are gonna have an awesome product on our hands, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.